Now, in the comparison, we learned that the adjective has to agree with the subject pronoun. So, here is a small exercise for us to practice the adjectives so that we will know the different adjectives along with their plural forms and feminine forms. So, are you ready to do this exercise with me? Faites l'accord des adjectifs. Now, the first sentence. Ils étaient plus dash. And the adjective given to us is communicant. So, what do we have to do? We have to write the adjective which agrees with the subject pronoun. Now, in the first sentence, what is our subject pronoun? Il. It is third person plural. So, and it is masculine. So, third person masculine plural. So, communicant becomes, you just have to add an S because it is in the plural form. Moving on to the next sentence. Les femmes étaient dash error même sans télévision. Now here this is the adjective. What is our subject pronoun? Les femmes. Les femmes. It means the women. So it is third person feminine plural. Now how do you write this adjective in its feminine plural form? It becomes okay, this is the spelling. Kindly note this down. We use these adjectives often. So kindly note down the spelling. Moving on to the next sentence. Les gens utilisent des gadgets. The adjective we need to fill in here is modern. Now we have to see what is the subject pronoun. The subject is les gens, which is plural. So our adjective should also be in the plural form. So how do we write in the plural form? We add an S. So that is how you write this adjective in its plural form. And finally, the last sentence. The adjective given to us is prudent. Okay. So, elle est normalement dash quand elle traverse la rue. So, the adjective we need to fill is prudent. And what is our subject here? Elle. Elle means she. So, it is feminine singular. So, when it is feminine singular, how do we write the adjective? We add an E. So this is the feminine form of this adjective. Why did we write it in the feminine form? Because our subject is feminine singular. So I hope you understood these adjectives. So you can learn many more adjectives and their feminine form and plural forms.